Well, about a month ago, I'd say I had some birthday money, some early birthday presents, and I was able to buy a new bike. And the bike of my choice was the Verde Eon to be exact. And here it is. I'm currently retiring my DK sick line. Yeah. Um, it's pretty much all stock except the valve caps, and I got a new bottom bracket for it. But you can't really see that. Uh, and my birthday is Friday, so I am getting some new parts for my birthday. The first is some Thermalite red pedals. Second is the Scream sprocket, the red one. And then my back rim is bent, so I have to get a new one. And I want to get the nitrous single shot cassette back wheel. Another thing is a new seat because I really don't like that one. And I want to get I forgot what it's called. The rainbow one or something. I don't know. And I don't know if I want to get a new chain or not, but and then if I get enough money, I'll get a new front wheel too. So cause the back wheel that I'm getting, the spokes are black and it came with red spokes, so it wouldn't match. But I mean, it's a really nice bike. It weighs 24 pounds. Took the brakes off. Well, I kept the wire on and the calipers, whatever. I really like the grips because they're sturdy, they're firm, but they're soft. Like they're not so soft that they tear off every time you grip them. They're really sturdy, but they're really soft. And I dropped it the first day I got it. Yeah. Got that little beauty mark on it, whatever you want to call it. Another thing I really like is like the little parts about it. Like they got like the red spokes and the red rims, and they have the red seat post clamp, which I like that too. And I just found out that I have a couple scratches on my seat. I also like the tires that came with it because they may not look like they grip well, but they do. I mean, I like the stem too because the stem's really nice. The hub sounds the the hub sounds great on it. I mean, I really like that. But oh yeah, there's a slight wobble in my tire because it's bent. So yeah, that's why it does that. Yeah, I told you it's bent. Just currently waiting on that. So don't be your tires all wobbly. Your tires all wobbly. Another frame that I really want to get is the Verde cartel frame. It's like freaking awesome. Where they have this little bottom axle thing, whatever. It's like a cool design or whatever. But the only thing is it's red. It only comes in red and purple. I wanted to get a black one, but oh well. It would be better than having those little brake things on it. That's another thing I don't like about it. It came with brakes. It didn't come brakeless. Really nice bike. It has a good theme to it, you know. Oh yeah, for your information, this is an iPhone bike check. Just thought I'd throw that out there. I think that's it. Well, bye. Oh yeah, rate, comment, subscribe. No hate comments, please. Uh, I guess I'll see y'all YouTubers later or whatever.